Struggling to write your literature review? Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know, what it is, why it's important, and how to write it step by step. Let's dive in. A literature review is a detailed evaluation of written materials on your research topic. It involves selecting, organizing, and synthesizing information from various sources to create a clear, comprehensive summary. But why is it so important? A well-written literature review serves multiple purposes. 1. It shows the extent of past research and identifies what's already known. 2. It provides context for your study and guides your conceptual framework and methodology. 3. It points to research gaps, what still needs to be explored. And 4. It justifies your research questions by comparing your study's claims with existing research. Now let's talk about the types of sources you need. Primary sources. Original documents or direct evidence from the time an event occurred. Examples include government publications, speeches, diaries, audio recordings, and original research articles. Secondary sources. Interpretations or analyses of primary sources. Examples include journal articles, commentaries, books, and biographies. Tertiary sources. Summaries or compilations of primary and secondary sources. Examples include encyclopedias, textbooks, dictionaries, and bibliographies. Ready to start your literature review? Follow these steps. Step 1. Identify keywords. Think of words related to your topic. These keywords will help you find relevant literature. Step 2. Start with general references. Use databases like Google Scholar, JSTOR, ProQuest, and EBSCO. Aim to collect around 50 relevant reports. Step 3. Look at different sources. Read articles, books, journals, and reports that are closely related to your topic. Step 4. Skim and select relevant materials. Choose articles that are central to your topic and focus on them. Step 5. Create a literature map. This visual diagram shows how your study fits within existing research. It helps you spot gaps and organize your findings. Step 6. Summarize key articles. Draft summaries of the most relevant articles, noting their strengths, weaknesses, and how they relate to your study. Step 7. Write and organize your literature review. Structure it thematically or by important concepts. End with a summary of major themes and explain how your study fills the gaps. Did you know that literature reviews can take different forms? Here are the most common ones. Integrative reviews. Combine what others have done and said. Critical reviews. Analyze and evaluate previous studies. Bridge-building reviews. Connect related topics to show how they're interlinked. Issue-identifying reviews. Highlight central issues within a field of study. Which one will you use? Let's recap. A literature review involves searching, organizing, and synthesizing written materials. Use a mix of primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Follow the step-by-step process to create a structured, meaningful review. Choose the right type of review to suit your study's purpose. Now you're ready to write your literature review like a pro. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more research tips.